Yeah.
I'm camera shy, dog.
Y'all gonna lose followers, fucking hell.
Howlin', you can go ahead and talk, bro. What y'all wanna see? Y'all wanna shout out your IG?
Shout out to my boy Lil Punt. Stupid ass.
How do you say it? Esqueti?
Esquete.
Here goes the boy Larry. I know him since he was like 5 years old. Guess what he's gonna buy? He's gonna buy an FRS, right? What you gonna buy? What you gonna buy?
An FRS.
Nothing, cause he's broke.
You buy FRS, bruh. You're gonna join the crew. All right, so today we're gonna restore the headlights on the Z. As you can see, they're all oxidized and all fucked up. I think they'll get new bulbs as well, which will help me see in better at night. And this is, we're gonna go from this. Focus. I'm gonna go from this to this. You can say this is a brand new headlight, but it's not. I'm gonna show you today how we're gonna do it. Boy, you ugly. Hey, yo, Silvio, hit him up. I will show you how different way. Also, if y'all do not have what I have, the way we're gonna do it today is I got this variety pack. We are gonna, if your headlights are pretty oxidized like mine, we're gonna start off with 400, and then move our way up to 600, and then we're gonna finish it off with 2000. Yeah, so let's go ahead and do that on that light, and then we'll get to the next step. All right, so what we got right here is just soap and water, and we're gonna start out with the 400 grit. We're gonna wet it, nice and wet. You want to go up in an up and down motion. You don't want to go in circles because it's gonna be like more harder for it to buff out, in my opinion. You want to get all that oxidation off. You see all that yellow shit running down? That's all the oxidation. Alright, now we're going to get the 2000 grit and do the last step before we move on to making it look nice. This is option number 1, which is just after you get them sanded down, or like over there, you can max off everything and use the clear coat. This is for plastic because it does have a UV. It has a UV resistant, so it'll be good for the headlights, so it won't oxidize again. That's your option number 1. But if you have either a drill with buffing pads or a buffer, you can use that, which we are going to use. In this case, we have the Rupes 21. We're going to use this. And we're going to start it with the blue pad, or a really abrasive pad. What we want to do is when you put your compound, spray it out, and then start off slow. We are going to do one more step, which is going to do it with a more finer pad to get it looking more smooth. So we're going to switch out our pad from the blue to the yellow. I'm pretty happy that it came out pretty good. I was just testing it with the buffing. It actually came out good, so I did that instead of the clear coat, because the clear coat you gotta wait like a day before you drive it. That's gonna be it. Leave it in the comment section below if y'all have any questions. Any concerns or anything? If y'all have trouble doing this, I want to shout out to my boys. You know, that came here. They're just chilling with me while I do my things on my car. I go to FRS. We haven't done shit to it since we got it back. Still looking the same. But that's gonna be in this video. Want to say something, John, to end the video?
Nah, dog.
Do, Larry?
Nothing.
Alright, dog. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.
Like and subscribe while y'all at it.
Tú también, John.
Vale madre, why me, dog? Estoy feo.
Yeah, man, the world needs better laws. Maybe then we'll be better off. I'm hoping that it comes, but it never does. Just got